Ho, 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 ho!
Decorating the house for Christmas. Christmas is almost here. When should we start decorating?
How about this weekend? We can make a day of it.
Perfect. Let's start with the tree. Do we want a real one or the artificial one we used last year?
I love the smell of a real tree, but the artificial one is easier to handle.
True. Let's stick with the artificial one this year. Do we need new ornaments?
Maybe a few. Some of ours are looking worn out. Should we stick to a color theme?
How about gold and red? Classic and festive.
Love it. What about lights? Do we have enough?
We have a few strings, but I think we need more for outside.
Agreed. Should we go with white lights or multicolored?
Multicolored for outside and white for the tree.
Perfect. Should we add garlands or tinsel this year?
Garlands. They're less messy than tinsel.
Good call. Do we want a wreath for the door?
Definitely. Let's get a fresh one. It'll smell amazing.
And stockings for the mantle? We could personalize them with our names.
Great idea. Should we put up any outdoor decorations?
Yes, but nothing too crazy. Maybe some lights along the roof and a few yard ornaments.
Sounds good. What about a centerpiece for the dining table?
I saw a DIY one with candles and pine cones. We could try making it.
Love it. And we'll need holiday music while we decorate.
Of course. I'll make a playlist. Should we bake cookies too?
Yes. It'll make the house smell so cozy.
Perfect. This is going to be the most festive Christmas ever.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.